A total of 45 formations and echelons participate in the parade, and most of the weapons and equipment are shown to the public for the first time. It not only embodies the continuation of the heroic armed forces during the Royal Resistance, but also demonstrates the new look of the People's Military in the new era with enhanced political awareness and its new structure and force composition.